This video walks you through how to create a vendor credit in QuickBooks Online. Begin from your QuickBooks Online dashboard and open the Creation menu by clicking the plus New button. From the list of available transaction types, select Vendor Credit. This opens the vendor credit form, where you will enter the details for the credit you received from a supplier. Start by choosing the vendor. Open the vendor field and select the company or supplier you want to create the credit for. Make sure you pick the correct vendor before moving on, since the credit will be tied to that record and can be applied to future bills for that same vendor. Next, enter the payment date if one is needed for your records. You can also add a reference number if you want to track the credit using a document number or another internal reference. If your vendor provided a credit memo number, this is usually where you would enter it. After that, move down to the detail section of the form. You can use either category details or item details depending on what the credit relates to. In category details, enter the account connected to the credit. This is often used when the credit is tied to an expense or another account rather than a specific product or service. In item details, enter the product or service related to the credit if that is how you track vendor transactions in your company file. Once you have chosen the right section, enter the amount of the credit. Review the row as you go so the account or item matches the amount you are recording. If the transaction needs more detail, complete any additional fields that apply, such as customer, class, or tax. Only fill in the fields that are relevant to the way this vendor credit should be categorized in your books. If you want to include an internal note or supporting document, add that next. Use the memo field for a short description that will help identify the credit later. If you have a related file, such as a scanned credit memo or vendor document, attach it to the transaction so it stays connected to the record in QuickBooks Online. Before saving, take a moment to review the vendor credit form. Confirm that the vendor is correct, the date and reference information are entered as needed, and the category or item details match the credit you are recording. Also verify the amount and any optional fields you completed, especially if you use customer tracking, class tracking, or tax settings. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close if you are finished and want to leave the form. Click Save and New if you want to save this vendor credit, and immediately open a blank form to enter another one. Your vendor credit is now recorded in QuickBooks Online and ready to be used for that vendor.